In this video we will learn about solar system. In order of their distance from the Sun, planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are made up of rocks. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are huge planets made up of gases and liquids. We can see here a sun. Sun is at the heart of a solar system. Although it is just a medium-sized star, it is giant in comparison to the other members of solar system. Its diameter is more than 100 times the Earth's diameter, and its weight is 3 lakh times more than the Earth. Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. Light from the Sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. Now we will see about various planets one by one. This is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is also the hottest planet as it is closest to the Sun. Its revolution time is 87.97 days and its rotation time is 58.6 days. Next we will see Venus planet. Venus is the second planet closest to the Sun. It is the brightest planet in the night sky. Its revolution time is 224.7 days and its rotation time is 243 days. Earth. Earth is the only planet with life on it. It has lots of water. Earth's revolution time is 365.24 days and it takes 23 hours 56 minutes to complete its rotation. Earth has one moon rotating around it. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system. Because of its red color, it is also called as red planet. Its revolution time is 1.88 years and its rotation time is 24 hours 37 minutes. It has two moons. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the fifth planet from the Sun. Its revolution time is 11.86 years and it takes 9 hours 55 minutes to complete its rotation. Jupiter has 62 moons rotating around it. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn has many rings around it. These rings are made of ice, rocks, and dust particles. Its revolution time is 29.4 years and its rotation time is 10 hours 39 minutes. Saturn has 60 moons. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet and appears as a blue-green point of light in the night sky. Its revolution time is 84.02 years and it takes 17 hours 14 minutes to complete its rotation. Uranus has 27 moons. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. Since it is so far away from the Sun, it is very cold and is called as icy planet. Neptune revolution time is 164.79 years and its rotation time is 16 hours 7 minutes. Neptune has 13 moons around it.